You've just completed a flawless installation. The surface is perfect. But is the job truly done? What happens in 6 months or a year? The final step in any professional application is ensuring your client knows how to protect their investment. Proper maintenance is what extends the life of the coating and keeps it performing as designed. The client handoff isn't just a formality. It's your opportunity to prevent unwanted claims and solidify your reputation as a true professional.
Regular cleaning with a mild water-based detergent and light pressure washing is all it takes. Avoid harsh abrasive chemicals or aggressive scrubbing, which can damage the surface and compromise its slip resistance. Advise your customer to perform periodic inspections, especially in high traffic zones. Catching these small issues early is the key to preventing a small problem from becoming a big one. And what if they do find a spot with localized damage? First, clean the area thoroughly. Second, spot prime it to ensure adhesion. And third, recoat the small section, taking care to blend the texture into the surrounding surface. Finally, it's important to set realistic expectations. All exterior surfaces are affected by UV exposure, weather, and foot traffic over time.
Following these best practices, from initial prep all the way to the client handoff, ensures that every Tuff Coat surface continues to provide the safety, beauty, and durability it was designed for. This concludes the Tuff Coat applicator training. Your commitment to quality application is what builds our collective reputation for excellence. Stay connected with us and ensure you never miss an update on our latest products, innovations, and expert tips. Sign up for our marketing updates today and be the first to access exclusive insights and offers designed to help you succeed.